American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Ray. Much more careful.
What the fuck?
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that. And the water still have to be cold, won't it?
Recent talking between Winston and Dogeyes are heating up.
Always the same.
You have a car in here? Here.
Take over.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, that's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my
It's
ass.
not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a free stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh yeah?
What do you think of Chiu Mei?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask it. Ah! Whoa! What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Oh, shit! Ah!
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Oh, shit! The haul from my last score, baby!
Oh, what haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of stuff.
Who the hell steals CRT monitors?
It's gotta be worth something, right? Whoa! Found his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards. Oh shit!
Keep the engine running. Get him! That's right!
都唔死啊！呢條撚樣好嘢喎！喂，大生 ，there's more of them！插撚死條撚樣！我等咗成個禮拜，就係等呢一嘢啊！斷啦嗱，斷啦！你係咪想死啊？喂，我攞啊！我攞啊！如果佢啊，我你，打住佢啦！你係咪諗住你搞得掂啊？I like that, huh? I like that.
！Shit, we're taking off for good! Go, 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 man! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's Rainy Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tyler, let the cops drive! Wait, drive!
That's it.
Yeah, they're gone. It's clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, poor guy. But he has friends in high places.
Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way.
Listen, comes a time stand up to guys like that, no matter who's backing them. Will cause the bad blood.
But no, tight though. Hard to believe Dog Eyes would turn on a friend like that.
He always was a shit, even when we were kids. where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
Oh, man, I got it under control. Sonora.
Alright, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Right, I finally hit the big time.
Hey! Hey!
What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me off the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
legendary quality from Europe's premier fashion designers, Salthaus. Discover a world of silks, the purest cottons, and the finest leathers, exquisitely incorporated into our unique designs. Salthaus, the word in fashion.
想唱歌，咁你就要唱啦，因為 Hot Song Karaoke就可以入去，牆上面仲有電視屏幕，無論你喺台定係喺吧都啱晒。Hot Song Karaoke，個個都可以唱歌。
My man Wayne! You done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes will. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes' son on Yi. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Kicking ass is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass. Who are you?
Wait, how come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K? Dog Eye came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple. What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us? Look, this. Dog Eyes might look good, but Winston S is directing Nobody's going to fuck with the train. Nobody.
Hey, you haven't paid. This dog will evict you.
This is our stop now.
Hey, yo, give up.
Yeah, fucker!
Alright, you good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot him. Are you insane?
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait! You better get them!
Hey, you want this route? You gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my road before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting dumbass peasants from across the border. You never seen a car before? Go back to your mule before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laugh but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and Dog Eyes, it's going to cut you into little pieces. You want my money? Go ask Dog Eyes for it.
Hey, listen. This route is mine. You wanna drive a Dog Eyes route? Move to one he actually owns.
I don't pay twice for the same road.
You know what? You're taking your life in your own hands. You're gonna pay, funny guy.
I don't pay you. I drive my route.
You're gonna regret this. passengers.
Okay.
啊，你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知收一收我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is Dog Eyes Woods. 你老味！
哇！啲人做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
You can't drive this way. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people. Don't panic.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知收一收我冇咗幾多錢啊？
Dog Eyes Woods. 你老味！
哇！啲人做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
You can't drive this way. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people. Don't panic.
call the police!
Just relax.
救命啊！你知以嚟對正幾好喎！
The real bus driver never drives like this.
Buddy, don't kill us, please!
Oh my god! He's gonna kill us!
Did you just learn to drive?
Please don't do this.
Oh my god! What was that sound?
Buddy, don't kill us! Please!
Here we are, people.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week. You're not driving the Sim Sam Shui route, are you?
Hey, wait. I work with Tran at the chop shop. I noticed you still don't have your own ride. Come by any time if you want to buy a car.
Oh yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry. We'll give you a good deal. Sun On Yi never pay full price.